Do you want to enable HD video call on Messenger? You can make high-quality video calls on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple settings. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to enable HD video call on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To enable HD video calls on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once on the app's home screen, you will see a list of chats. Scroll down and open an individual or group chat where you want to enable HD video during mobile data usage. Now, you are on the chat conversation screen. At the top of the chat, tap on the video or audio call icon to start a call. Once the call starts, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear. From there, find and select the call settings option. On the new screen, you will see various settings options. Look for the Mobile Data for HD Video option. To enable HD video calls on Facebook Messenger, toggle the switch next to Mobile Data for HD Video. Now, whenever you make video calls on Messenger, they will be in HD quality.